The internet's most asked questions about nomads. With West, that's me. And Kelly, that's him.
That's me.
Yeah. And Lucifer, that's, she's behind the bush there. Yeah. West Goes Wandering.
West.
Yeah.
How do nomads make money?
Speaking for all nomads, I can tell you that they don't. They don't make any money at all. They spend glorious amounts of money.
Mm-hmm.
They're probably all trust fund kids. All of them.
Okay.
Oh, hey Kelly.
Oh, what's up?
So you're a filthy city dweller. You live in one of those places where a lot of people live.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
I'm just going to ask you some questions that nobody on the internet asked or cared about, but they asked them about nomads, so I figured turnabout is fair play.
Okay. All right.
How do filthy city dwellers make money?
Work at a office job.
The old 9 to 5.
Yeah.
You sit in a cubicle?
No cubicle. No, but I had a computer desk.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay. And then just type into an internet box.
Into an internet box, and
That
type
sounds,
away for 80 hours, and then get a paycheck.
That sounds crazy.
Yeah.
That's horrible. I'm sorry.
How do nomads live then if they don't make money?
I don't know. They breathe in and they eat food for sustenance, and they continue living just like everybody that continues living.
Okay.
They don't die. Just do what you have to do to not die, and then you're living.
And you're living as a nomad.
Yeah. Well, as long as you're traveling. How do filthy city dwellers live?
By themselves.
Okay.
Normally. Yeah. With a lot of other people, but separated by very thin walls. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
How do nomads get mail?
Oh, I have it sent to my parents' house so that I never see it ever. So, bill collectors. And you guys get mail, I assume?
Yeah, yeah. There's a mail room. Yeah.
A mail room?
Yeah, I have a little mail box.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. A guy delivers it, or a woman delivers it. Yeah.
And you just grab it out of a box?
Yeah, just grab it right out of the box.
Do you then put it in the round filing cabinet, or?
Most of the time, yeah. Most of the time it goes to the round filing cabinet.
That's what I did.
Yeah. How do nomads pay taxes?
Well, I'm not making any money. I don't think any nomads make money, but I imagine they pay taxes the same way that everybody else does, by worshiping the IRS, at least quarterly, and pray that they don't look at you too closely. What about filthy city dwellers and taxes?
Oh, yeah. Well, I mean, you file your taxes, and then hopefully you get some money back. 9 times out of 10, you don't get money back, and you owe the government, so then you just have another, monthly payment on top of all your other monthly payments, because you're a filthy city dweller.
That sounds horrible.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. How do nomads survive in the desert?
Drink water. Hydro homies, baby. How do filthy city dwellers survive in the desert?
Oh, just like I've been doing the past night. You come out, you wear some nice shoes, you got some shorts on, nice sun hoodie.
Yeah.
And then you just drink lots of water.
Drink lots of water. Don't die.
Yeah, don't die. How do nomads get food?
Probably at the store. I don't imagine a lot of nomads having gardens, but
Not foraging?
Not foraging. Not foraging. I don't think.
Not a hunter and gatherer?
Nope, not a hunter and gatherer. I go to whatever supermarket is closest, and I exchange American dollars for edible items.
I like it.
How do you get food?
Oh, you stop at the store before you come to the desert.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right, that makes sense.
Huh?
You don't grow your own food?
No. As a filthy city dweller, you can't grow your own food.
Oh, okay.
Because you don't have land to grow your own food on.
That's fair.
Yeah. Why do nomads move from place to place?
Because it's awesome. Man, that feeling of being stuck places, I don't have that. I just go to the next place that I find interesting. Why do you filthy city dwellers move?
Usually the rent's up or the lease is up, or you sold your house and so you have to find another place to live, or you move because it's too expensive in one place, so you move to hopefully a less expensive place.
That makes sense.
That's why.
How do nomads wear black in the desert?
Oh, that seems like an odd question, but I guess the internet is the place for odd questions. Why do people in the city wear black?
Because they're dead inside?
Okay, that makes sense. I think nomads is not the same reason.
Yeah.
Why do nomads live in a tent?
Because it's better than living just strictly outside. Why do you live in apartments?
It's bougie. I like it.
Got a pool.
Got a
nice pool. Hot
nice
tub.
pool, hot tub.
Gym.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't have to fix things. I just call someone. Say, hey, this is broken. Come fix it.
That seems kind of nice.
Yeah.
Everything that breaks in my things, I have to fix.
Yeah.
Maybe there's a good business for like a nomad.
Yeah, there's some pros and cons,
Fixie
right?
boy.
Yeah.
Why do nomads move every 4 days?
I think this question stems from national forest restrictions that require you to move every 4 days, but most places are 14 days. And then there are some that are like 3 and 5. It just varies. You just have to look up the restrictions in the area that you're in. Like here in the Black Rock Desert, it's technically 14 days, but we could be here for a month and nobody would question us. Or why do you move every 4 days? You don't.
I don't move every 4 days.
And why do nomads travel with animals?
Oh. Lucifer? What are you doing? Just resting in the shade? I can't imagine not traveling with animals. Lucy's my best friend. She keeps me company and keeps me safe. That's a good deal right there.
Well, and since you are traveling with Lucifer,
Why do you have animals?
I don't have animals.
Oh, okay. Well,
Too small of a place.
yeah, that's fair.
Yeah.
what do you do on a daily basis?
Typically, I wake up and I make myself a questionably healthy amount of coffee, and I spike it with a questionably healthy amount of sugar and milk, and then I drink that, and then I take a hike, and then, oh, you should watch this video that ideally I figure out how to link right here, and if not, then it's the previous video that I posted or 2 videos ago. But there's a video, and if I'm smart, it'll be linked right here. If I'm dumb, it won't be, but it'll probably. What do city dwellers do?
Work,
Okay.
eat at a restaurant, or go to the grocery store, maybe go to the movies, and then sleep, and then wake up and do it all over again.
Oh, so the same thing all the time.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, same place.
Yeah.
And what do nomads wear on a daily basis?
Clothes? I wear this. I have like
Tell us about your fit.
4 pairs of these shorts.
Uh-huh.
I have a pair of hokas that are for like, these are my nice hokas. They're for the trails. They're for anything that doesn't have a whole lot of water. And then I have water shoe hokas for if I'm like hiking across creeks or they're gonna get destroyed. I probably should have worn them today for playa dust, but I'll just spray these off with a hose. And then I always wear shorts, underwear, and a shirt of some kind. I like these shirts because it's thin and breathable, but it keeps the sun from murdering my skins, which nobody likes. What do filthy city dwellers wear?
I usually wear this when I'm wearing. Shoes will just be a bit cleaner. That's about it.
Even in the city?
Even in the city.
Oh, that's weird.
Yeah.
Huh.
One outfit for all adventures.
I'm a big fan of the single outfit for
Yeah.
all adventures. Yeah, I get you.
What do nomads live in?
I live in Icarus, my truck. and occasionally other people's homes when they're nice enough to have me live with them temporarily.
What do filthy city dwellers believe in?
Capitalism.
Okay.
Yeah,
All right.
that's about it.
That's fair.
Yeah, they probably believe that
They're filthy
Starbucks
capitalist
is a-
city dwellers.
Starbucks is good, which is not. Starbucks is the devil.
Old burnt
Yeah.
beans.
Burnt beans.
It does taste good when they add a lot of sugar and milk, which I'm guilty of.
City dwellers believe in pumpkin spice.
Pumpkin spice. Yeah, not a...
Uggs.
You don't have Uggs on?
Yoga pants.
Dude, actually, as a nomad, Uggs are pretty legit.
Yeah.
I give Uggs my stamp of approval. They're very nice, warm, and comfortable.
What do nomads believe in?
Speaking for all nomads, nomads worship a god called the Traveler, and he likes to travel to places and do the cool things that those places have. That's what all nomads believe in.
What do nomads eat?
Food and sagebrush, sometimes the occasional bits of dirt. I don't know, anything that's available really. I eat a fair amount of Lucy here. That's
all the questions I had for you today, West.
all right.
Where
Well,
can people find you?
WestGoesWandering.com and WestGoesWandering on Instagram and Facebook and here at YouTube.
What do you eat in the city?
Whatever I want. Everything's accessible.
Oh, so like
Different restaurants. Different grocery stores.
not sagebrush and dirt then?
Not sagebrush and dirt. No.
Well, that sounds better than what I've been doing.
Yeah.
Maybe I should do that. Well, thanks for helping me with this, Kelly.
Hey, anytime.
Yeah.
Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoy this possibly 10-minute video of the internet's stupidest questions about nomads and city people that nobody asked. Bye! Not sponsored. My mom found this water bottle for me at a thrift shop and doesn't think I'm drinking enough water, and honestly she's probably right. Love you, Mom. Thank you. Drink water, kids. I think it's more ideal if you try not to breathe it, but I don't know, maybe I'm just